Hello everyone, my name is Akshay, and today I and one of my classmates, Emmanuel, will be explaining you about the project that we have created. The project deals with the geolocation test that we have used in an experiment. Before just moving on into the project, I want to give a brief information about how did we created the project. So first, with the help of the command line, uh, we created the project by giving it a name, and we named the project as test underscore geolocation. That is nothing but the folder we have created. Then we'll be moving into the folder, and once when we move into the folder, we'll try to provide the most important plugin that we have used in the experiment, that is the geolocation plugin. Unless and until if you won't provide this geolocation plugin, there wouldn't be any experiment for this stuff. And once we're done, I connected my Cordova platform with the Android platform with the use of Cordova platform add Android command line. And later on, uh, we built the project by the command giving the command Cordova build Android. So once the command line part is done, you will try to get the we'll try to open the project in the Android Studio like this. And so probably we have done the entire part of code in the index.js page. And the index.js page, defaultly it has got the var app function where it talks about the device ready thing. And once the device ready starts, we have linked the function with that of the other function that we have created, that is nothing but the on success. So when the device gets started, the on success function starts running, and it tries to provide an alert message to the user, where the alert message shows the latitude, longitude, altitude, accuracy, and some other information which is related to the geolocation. With the help of the geolocation plugin, these all information is provided to the user in the app. And this entire message is displayed to the user as once the device gets ready in the time of 3 to 5 minutes, 3 to 5 seconds, I'm sorry. So if the something is wrong with the plugin location geolocation plugin, uh, it shows an error message to the user saying that there is a message, there's a error that has been stopping the code to run. So the remaining part of the project will be explained by my classmate Emmanuel. Yep.
Alright, so my name is Emmanuel, and I'm gonna explain the rest of the project. First of all, I'm gonna show this screenshot we had from the first time we ran the app. And so basically it gives the user a chance to allow or deny access to the app to use its location. And we run the app on the Android phone here, and as you can see, it shows the installation of the geolocation app. It shows the storage, it shows the data usage, and it shows the permission, which in this case we have allowed it to use that permission. And it also shows the notification, which is normal in this case. And I'm gonna go back to my Google Doc here, which shows the history of apps that have accessed the location of this phone. So in this case, it shows our geolocation app right here in the first, along with some Google apps. So one more thing that is it shows is here we see after the app has run, we see the information, which in this case it shows the latitude, the longitude, the altitude, and then more importantly the accuracy of these values. With the accuracy, we did a little research and we found out that geolocation approximates the location based on a number of factors, including the public IP address, sometimes cell tower IDs, and mostly GPS information. The accuracy of the geolocation interface returns results that represents accuracy of the latest latitude information and the longitude information, and it has a confidence level of about 95%. So usually if the reading of the latitude or the longitude is null, the accuracy must also return a null value. So that's some of the information we got while researching this project. So basically, this was a success, and if the app were ever to run into a problem, as my partner said, there'll be an error message that will indicate that there's a problem with the plugin. So that's about it for this app, and we had fun building it, and we are glad it was working. It was kind of an interesting process, and we're excited we're able to learn about all these plugins, but most importantly, the geolocation plugin. Thank you very much for the time and for the opportunity to learn under you, Professor. And hopefully you have a good rest of the year. Bye-bye.
Thank you.